what a great spot for them. I'm both cranky and excited at the same time.
Cranky because it's cold.
It's cold. What the heck?
Okay, so here's where we are today. She's in heaven because she gets to see some birds.
Bird nerd alert.
And this is a great hike right here. So it's a nice trail. It's a decent day except for the wind.
That's okay. There's the elusive robin.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There's only like 8 million of them in freaking Connecticut. Join us on our search for the most abandoned, historic, and haunted locations our country has to offer. Look at these tracks.
Oh wow.
That's pretty neat. Look at these tires. They're huge.
Oh my gosh.
There's like 4 of them.
Oh wow.
Oh, you need help getting up there? Oh, there you go.
Yes.
She always needs to climb on things.
Oh look. There's like a little fort.
Oh, like a little tree stand kind of thing?
Yeah.
I don't know what this is.
Sorry. Wow.
Yeah,
Massive.
thank you.
Oh, look at those tracks.
Yeah, look at this. This is fantastic. Look at that.
Wow.
They're all intertwined. Man, look at them all.
Is there like a roundhouse around here or something?
I don't know. I don't know what's here, to be honest. Well, I know one thing that's here, but anything else I don't know. But look at that.
We got a camp over there.
Oh, is there? I don't know, something. It could be just a tarp.
You want to go check it out?
Well, what I want to do is go up here and check this out. Because I think there's some trains over the hill here, I see. I see the tops of them. Oh, so these are the active tracks.
Oh wow.
Yeah, these are the active tracks, but you can see some trains.
Oh, shout out to Rich Discoveries.
Yes. This is how we found out about this place, from Rich. But man, these tracks are pretty cool down here. I mean, look at that.
Sounds like a train is coming.
Could be. All right, so we came over because we were curious. We watch enough crime shows to know that when you see a tarp,
Yeah.
we got to check it out. But look at this. Look at how the tracks turn.
This is the weirdest thing.
Isn't that bizarre?
Yeah, this is definitely somebody's camp.
But yeah, they turn and then go back. So that explains why there's so many sets.
It's almost like a roller coaster track.
This is kind of cool. Where is she? Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this. Like, seriously?
There's an osprey right there. I wonder if it's the dad. The dads usually protect this nest, you know?
Yeah. I don't know.
But he's not happy that we're here. You can hear him.
No. Well, far enough away. I don't get it.
Yeah. But those are his babies. I'm just guessing that it's the male. I could be wrong. Because the other one's flying around, you know? Bird nerd. Bird nerds unite.
Yeah.
Listen to that.
Hey, that's kind of cool.
It's like a man-made fort.
Yeah.
I mean,
right?
sorry, nature-made fort.
Yeah, right. Oh, we gotta go under.
Still has a trail marker on it.
Yeah. Yeah, we're still good. I don't know. But look at the tracks. They're right near us now, next to the trail. I mean, really, right alongside the trail. But I believe this is what you were pointing out, right?
That looks rickety.
I think you should climb up.
Hell to the no.
No?
Look how rickety it looks. You climb up. Crazy. Crazy. Oh, God.
Oh my God.
Oh, my God. Come down right now.
Right up. Creepy down here, but it's a little better up there, but you can feel it swaying.
Can I show it? That is cool, though. Look how high up it goes.
Yeah, I don't know what that was.
Pretty cool.
Okay. What?
Couple of remnants.
Oh,
like a tower.
I see, I see. I don't know if you can see them from here, but let me see if I can zoom in.
Also, is that birds?
Look at that, a tower and a nest. Maybe a nest up the top of that
Looks like.
antenna thingy. Well, we're heading that way, so let's keep going. All right, man, that is, what is this? Here, let me check this out down here first. What? Hello? Hello? Looks like it ends though, right over there. Looks like it's blocked off, but I could be wrong. I didn't bring a flashlight, so I can't tell.
Ooh, I'm gonna change my mind about. I mean, I don't want to keep these shoes like wet.
Yeah, don't get them wet. What is this? Are you kidding me? So, looks like we could go up and around, but screw that. We gotta go through, right?
Yeah, gotta go through.
Just watch out. If you, I don't know what the heck is in here.
Bats.
Oh, I never even thought of that.
Shoot, this is a camp.
Yeah, it probably was at one time. Somebody stay dry, you know. If I see a bat in here, I'm gonna scream like.
Like a little girl.
This is interesting though. What is this?
I don't know.
What could this have been? Hey, we made it.
Hey.
What is that? Is it just trees? Oh, look, there's a bunch of crap over here. What's that? Oh, a building?
Oh, wow. There's a nest.
Oh, there is a nest up there. Look at that. Hold on. I'm going to go over here, even though the trail goes the other way, but...
That's the one we just saw?
No, that was closer to the water, so there must be another one.
Oh, wow.
You can see the chimney right here, so this was some kind of building. See if I can go here without getting killed here. I'll just go right here. Wow, interesting. Nope, I gotta get out on there. Oh, look at it. There was a nice easy way and I took this way. What the hell? Notice she didn't tell me.
Oh, there's a chimney and everything.
Here, let me come over where you are. Much easier.
Oh, wow. What do you think this was?
I don't know. Pretty interesting though. Ugh. Well, I mean the tracks are right here, so I mean it could have been any I don't know, anything. Oh, look at the boiler. Huge. That huge boiler for this little building. Check that out in there.
I'd like to see an old vehicle back here.
Yeah, how cool would that be? I don't know what's back here. I never even asked Rich, so other than what we're here to see,
Right.
you know.
Well, you never know. Like,
Oh God, I know you never know what you're gonna see.
you see this wall?
Huh?
It's like some sort of a wall.
Yeah, right here. Yeah, I don't know what that was. Huh. Strange, just sitting there. I mean, we're in the middle of the woods too. You gotta remember that.
Yeah. I know it's not, but it almost looks like those water slide.
Yeah, right. That's what I thought too. But obviously it's not. But
Yeah.
hey, what's this? Oh, look at this. Oh my God, I'm glad I went this way. Hello?
Oh. There it is.
Is that the one we seen from the
Yeah.
distance? It's gotta be, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Man, is that safe?
Looks safer than the other one, but I don't know.
Ugh. Wow.
Pretty colors.
Yeah. Open it. Come on,
this?
Geraldo, open it.
What's in there?
Nothing. Nothing.
Still cool.
Man, look at that. How old that is. What's up there? Nothing?
I mean, it almost looks like an elevator shaft.
Wow, that is so cool.
Want to shake with those fries?
Nice.
Nice and warm in here.
Yeah, right? Wow, that's not. Oh, sorry for the sun. Yeah, let me get over here. Yeah, a little bit better. Oh, how safe is this?
Oh, you want me to film you?
Oh, that's not safe. God, I can wiggle it. No way I'm going up there.
This belt has seen better days.
I don't know what's up there anyways.
Certain death.
Yeah, that's a little too
Rickety.
rickety for me. I don't have the balls. Sorry for my French, but I don't have the balls like some of these kids do. That one.
What's that?
What's what? Oh, it's a drum.
Big old drum.
Big old drum.
Do you think Nacho's in there?
Oh, he might be hiding in there.
Yes.
For all you Breaking Bad fans. I mean, sorry.
Better Call
Saul, yeah. Oh, this way.
Isn't it the same thing?
Well, pretty much.
You love one, you love the other.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh, he's hiding out in there.
Let's check. We're gonna check. Nothing. Nothing.
No Nacho.
Nothing.
Still cool.
Yep. Looks like.
Oh. Yes or no?
Did you touch that? Somebody's friggin' underwear.
The Enchanties.
Oh my God, you're a sicko. All right, so I don't. I just must.
I'm a sicko.
Yeah, I know, right?
That ain't the pot calling the kettle black.
Yeah, right. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Whatever the hell that is. 2 tanks.
Tanks.
Oh, and a pit.
Tanks for nothing.
Yeah, tanks for nothing. Tanks a lot. All right. I mean, this almost looks like a trail, right?
Yeah. You're getting close to that other nest.
Oh, you think?
Yeah, you can see it.
Where? Oh, yeah.
I don't know. Where are we going? Here, you lead the way.
Oh, yeah. Hey, what's this over here? Something over here. I don't know if it's this way or that way, but whatever. We'll go this way. Oh, there's a building right here.
Oh, wow.
I'm so glad we went this way.
That literally popped up out of nowhere.
Yeah, most definitely. Man, I'm glad we went this way. There's all kinds of stuff this way.
I think there's like goodies everywhere in this.
Man, goodies is right.
Wow.
Oh, watch it. Thought that was gonna snap back. Wow. This is pretty cool. Oh, is this the other one we've seen, or is this a different one?
I don't know.
Didn't the other one have an antenna right next to it?
I think so. I think this is a different one.
Who knows?
Does this one feel any different?
I don't know. You tell me. Wow. Pretty cool. Ooh, are you going to go for it?
No. I most certainly am not.
You don't want to die today, right?
I don't.
I would rather you didn't.
I got more stuff to do.
Yeah, this is similar to the other one.
This one feels pretty sturdy though, I must say.
Oh, it does?
Yeah. I can feel the need. So exactly the same?
Huh? Yeah, it's pretty much the same.
Oh, it's not an Explore without Christmas. Say Christmas. Holly.
Dumb. All right, that's cool. I'm glad we noticed that.
You know what happens to the ugly duckling, right?
Yeah.
There's her nest.
Oh, wow.
What happens to the ugly duckling? Oh,
Right there. And then there's another one coming over here who's saying, don't get too close.
they're not going to have any of our BS.
No, they're not. Not when they're sitting on a nest. Cool, look at that.
That is really cool.
Hey, trains.
Yeah. I don't think these are abandoned. But I wanted to come see this with you. 'Cause-
Yeah, just be careful. Because this might be a working.
oh, I'm sure it is.
Oh, look at this.
What is this?
It's a car upside down.
What kind of car?
I don't
Looks
know.
like a limo.
A what?
It's huge.
Yeah, look at the door. It is kind of huge. I don't know.
Or a El Camino. Wasn't I just saying I want to see a car?
Yeah. Hopefully there's nobody in it.
Yeah.
Interesting. Nope, no dead people
Maybe
in it.
around the front you can get a...
Be careful where you step here. Yep, I don't know.
1-800-RICH.
Yeah, I don't know. Rich might be able to tell, but this is upside down. Let me go inside over here. Can't really see the back because it's in the trees, but pretty cool though.
Yeah.
You asked for a car, there it is.
I did. You got my wish. Yeah, be
Watch out for nails and stuff sticking out. Yeah, I don't see a make on the car, so yeah, you can't really see in the back. Yeah. Well, whatever. This is what we came to see right here. Whew. As far as the eye can see. This is interesting. Hey, there's water here. How are we going to get across that?
Oh, nuts.
Is there a door? Oh, it's on the other side. Maybe through here. You know, always the hardest way. Ugh. Wow. That used to be an old fridge. Look at the cover.
Can you look at that chair?
Look at the cover. The door, the refrigerator door. I know, look at that chair.
Hey, are these bullet holes?
Probably. Man.
Gross.
And of course,
that chair is really rocking it though.
yeah, it is. Well, we're definitely not in the area we're supposed to be.
Nope. I don't like that you said, uh-oh, water.
Yeah, I know. Well, I gotta see if we can get across. I'm just gonna look right here. See if we can get across. Yeah, it seems like there's a trail here. But that is what we're looking for right there. But that is pretty cool.
That was a nice find.
Yeah, right?
That in the car.
The trains, the car. Yeah, I think we can get across here. The water's actually over there, so I could be wrong, but
Whoa.
wow, this building is huge. Sorry for the wind if you can hear it.
Oh, I think I see it. The last people in Connecticut to be here.
Yeah, right? Literally.
That's okay.
Holy crap, look at that. That's so cool.
That's the coolest thing I've ever seen.
It really is.
Besides you.
Besides me, right?
Wow.
Ooh, look at this boiler. That's another huge boiler. That's submerged. This boiler was from the Titanic. But anyways,
There's got to be some creatures floating around in there.
this is the reason that we came.
Oh,
Right here. That is a work of art. Look at that. And so that everybody knows who the artist is, I just seen that right here. Refractualism. Amazing.
oh, I've been dying to do this.
Was it worth the, oh, right. Weirdo.
I love you.
Wow. It's even more amazing than the pictures. Pictures don't even do it justice.
Oh, man.
Absolutely incredible. Great work, my man. Great work. Look at the ears. The ears are right there. Look at this place. You gotta be careful of stuff falling. Just keep your eyes, you know, because it is windy.
Yeah. Oh, my God. I'm in love.
Right? Look at the stairway. That is not the stairway to heaven. Actually, it is. You can see the backside. Bunch of boards and siding and but man, that is incredible. Don't know what this building used to be, but yes. Yes, I do. And yes, he does. Look at those lights hanging down and stuff. It's really cool.
Yeah.
I mean, the place is awesome, but that right there, when you first see that, it's like, holy crap. Then you don't look around.
I mean, I think if you come in from the other side, you don't even realize it, right?
Yeah.
You wouldn't even know that work of art.
Well,
is here.
here's the funny part. Okay. I think, from what Rich said, the trail came from over there.
Right.
So we missed it somehow. We ended up over there across the water,
I'm glad.
which is good because we saw that building.
I'm glad and we got to see that car too.
So, but I am pretty sure the trail is over here. Wow, I know, right? I know, you just can't say it enough. Look at this, a boat, seriously.
Oh, neato.
Yeah, you can see that is a working maintenance facility right there, so
Oh, that's
you're not supposed to be going there, but
We're not?
no, up there.
Oh.
But we're going to look at this boat.
Yeah, we're not hitting anything.
No.
Ooh. The galaxy. Whatever that is.
Let me go on the other side. Check it out. That's neat. I never expected to see that. What haven't we seen? Seriously.
Car, a boat,
The trains,
trains, and the best
sculpture
piece
ever.
of art ever. Love it.
Love it.
And
And look at all these birds.
Yes.
Well, it is a bird thing, as you can see on the sign when we first came in.
Yeah.
Not a bird sanctuary, but whatever you would call it.
Pretty much. The birds are protected here,
Yeah.
you know? Bird's gonna bird.
Bird nerd.
The bird nerd. Tin roof. Rusted.
Rusted, no doubt. Yeah. This one is, oh!
Ooh.
Oh, come with me. Come with me. Come with me. Oh, damn it. It's full of water. So, here's what I was going to do. This is a time machine.
Oh.
Okay?
Yeah.
I was going to put her in this time machine. Right?
If I had my waders on.
Yep. And I was going to send her back to 1976. Do you know what 1976 was?
Yeah, the bicentennial.
The year I graduated high school.
Aww.
So this way we could be childhood sweethearts and we could live happily ever after. We wouldn't have missed all this time,
Yeah.
that time together.
But we've made the most out of the time.
We
that
sure
we
have. We sure have.
Also, I was 6.
Well,
I know.
no, you would go back at the same
I'd be the
at the
same
same age as me.
Okay, same age as you.
Yeah, that's the way it works.
Got it.
Either that or you'd go back as the same age you are now, and that's just creepy.
Ooh, that's creepy. You wouldn't want anything to do with me. I'm an old lady.
No, I wouldn't. But I would say, at that age, I would say, oh, she's pretty hot for an old lady.
We'd like to take this time to thank all of you who support our channel, including our amazing patrons. A very special thank you to our founding member patrons, TresAnn, Alec and Marcia Glickman, Lochary Davenport, and Tamra Banarama. As always, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.